Latest casual outfit ideas for men. Our outfit number 1. Sky blue polo t-shirt with white pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 2. Maroon shirt with white pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 3. White polo t-shirt with gray pant and black shoes. Outfit number 4. Striped shirt with off-white pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 5. White shirt with blue pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 6. Striped polo t-shirt with brown pant and brown shoes. Outfit number 7. White polo t-shirt with blue jeans and brown shoes. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.